Hi everyone. I'm. Please do let me know I'm audible to you all.
Yes, Damini, you are audible.
Okay, thank you, Chanki. I. What about others? Ajay, Deepak, Kanika, Nishant, Rahul. I'm audible to you, right?
Yes, audible, audible.
Okay. Thank you so much to confirming this. Um. So guys, this is the first time I'm interacting with the batch, I believe. So earlier there was a batch launch, but I was not the part of there for your meeting, as I infected with the COVID and so unable to present in your batch launch time. So I thought let interact with the batch to understand about the learning and if the batch is required any so we can work in on. Before going to the conversation, would like to introduce myself. So I take care of the training department. I'm in Ematicus more than a 5 year and taking care of the training department as a training manager. So we'll be assisting you related to your course part, related to your trainer, curriculum, LMS access, any kind of assistance you required, you need to directly reach out to me. I'm sharing you the, I'm also going to mark you the email today after this, after our conversation related to the minutes of the meeting, which we are going to discuss. Would like to understand from your end, guys. Do you need any assistance, any help from my end? Anything? Because I believe you more. So yesterday I do had a conversation with one of the students. So I know I need to share few points. So today you will be receiving the template of your resume. And I'm going to create a one Telegram group also. I'm going to mention the Telegram group link on that email. So the two things I am aware, which I need to figure out. Rest, do you guys looking any assistance or support from my end?
As in, if you can conduct some of the backup classes, if somehow, some way, if you miss any of the classes, that will be
Uh,
helpful.
okay, what kind of a sessions you're talking about, Chunky?
Like if in any case, if I miss, if any one of the batchmates miss any of the classes, and for that, if any backup session will took place, so that will be
Okay,
helpful.
yeah. So for that, we are providing a recording, which we are recording your session. Rest if the student is facing a challenge after attending the recording also. So what we will do, definitely we're going to assist with the trainer. And if the batch is required something on particular topic like refresher, so we will definitely assist because see Chunky, if for example, if you're missing the session today, I miss the session tomorrow. So we are unable to complete the batch on time. So we are moving to the practical learning module also.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
So just wait for 1 or 2 sessions. So we will starting with the practical part.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello,
Any other? Yeah.
hello, Dapni.
Yeah. Hi.
Well, I have a question regarding the Python courses. So, to boost our resume, when I interacted first with your colleagues, they told me
Yeah.
that they also give us free Python courses also.
Free Python courses. No, I don't have any idea because Python is comes into the analytics
Yeah,
program,
that's
which
it.
is the data analytics, and this is a totally a finance program, now.
Yeah. So, is
So
there any,
Nishant,
or
uh,
is it any package that I can buy it to get the specific Python course?
yeah, definitely. Just connect me after your class. I will assist you on that part. I will also add the counselor on the call so we can help you in this. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. So guys, one more thing. Anything else regarding from guys? Any query? Yes, no.
No, I mean, I don't think there are.
Disconnected. So I'm audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes. So any other question, any query you want to ask right now? Because I have another question for you. Please mention yes, no, something so I can understand and I ask another question if you don't have.
No, I mean, we don't have any more questions.
Thanks, Chunky, but have some energy, okay?
Okay, okay.
Ajay, Baswant, Deepak, Kanika, Nishant, Rahul, Rashi, any query?
No, Lavanya, no.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, great. So my question, next question is like, how is your delivery is going on? Like, how's the trainer feedback? Are you able to understand the trainer delivery? Any challenges are you facing from the trainer side? Guys, this silence, don't give some silence. Answer de do mujhe.
Sir is really great. He's doing a great job, I guess.
Okay.
He's giving us on the basic end. So I don't think so that we, any one of us, has having issue with the trainer.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you, Shan. What
even
about other?
even I don't have any problem with the trainer, ma'am. The things are going in the right direction as of now.
Okay. Kanika,
Yeah,
what about your
till
feedback?
now, till now,
Yeah.
no issue. Till now,
Okay.
no issue. And even at the beginning of the class, and is going most of the theoretical part. Till now, means it's good.
Okay. Thanks. Kanika, what about yours?
Ma'am, it's a good, but sometimes trainer will start like everyone knows everything. Just a little bit touch upon it. वो
Okay.
ये
So have you?
समझते हैं कि सबको आता है, ऐसा नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो नॉन फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से भी हैं.
बिल्कुल. हम्म.
तो इस
तो
बात
कनिका, वन थिंग, आपने ट्रेनर को उस टाइम पे ना, आई गिव यू द
हाँ,
सजेशन, इंटरप्ट द ट्रेनर दैट टाइम ओनली.
मैंने इंटरप्ट किया है, काफी टाइम किया है.
गुड. हाँ.
ये पार्ट हमें समझ नहीं आया या
हाँ.
बट ही समटाइम्स ही स्टार्टिंग लाइक कि बस ठीक है मेरे को पढ़ना है. मोस्टली एट द टाइम एंडिंग टाइम 30 मिनट्स एंडिंग टाइम यूज टू लाइक मैंने पढ़ दिया
अच्छा.
मतलब नहीं है. वो जैसे समझा रहे हैं स्टार्टिंग से वो समझाते हैं, दैट्स अ गुड पार्ट. लास्ट टाइम में आके उनका ऐसा इश्यू हो जाता है कि बस हाँ बस बोलते जाना है. वो समटाइम्स नहीं समझ आता उस टाइम. बस वो थोड़ा सा है, अदरवाइज नो इश्यू.
ओके. मैं ट्रेनर से बात करूंगी. एंड वन रिक्वेस्ट, अगर इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द टॉपिक, tell the trainer upfrontly, sir, we are unable to understand, kindly clear this part and then we will move further. Then if the trainer is not assisting you, then do let me, immediately call me, message me, I will be there and support you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Most welcome, Kanika. And what about other participant feedback? Baswant, what about your feedback? Okay, Deepak, you can give your feedback if you want to.
No, ma'am, सब ठीक है, कोई problem नहीं है. सही समझाते हैं सब.
Rashi, can you just unmute yourself and giving your feedback? Rahul, Baswant, I'm waiting for your response, guys.
Okay, Damini, as Kanika said, the same thing I wanna tell you.
Okay.
Because I am not from a finance background, so sometimes he started studying very fastly, so we are not able to gather everything. And sometimes he just read the concept and like we need more elaboration, more examples, like
Okay.
more understanding. That's all I need to say right now. Otherwise, yeah, it's fine.
It's fine. Okay. Guys, I will make sure that you will guys not compromise with any of the topic, and I will talk to the trainer personally on this part, and I give the feedback what I am receiving, and will make sure the things from today onwards will go good. If you face if you face still the challenge, do let me know. You have my number. Please reach out to me. Mark me email. I'm available. So when whatever the assistance I can able to do on the priority, definitely I will do. Otherwise, you will be getting the update from me within a 24 hours. Rest, I guess other students are okay with it, but yeah, I see if the either one or two students facing a challenge, that means that there is a challenge. So I will rectify and solve ASAP for sure. Okay. Any other student feedback wants to give the feedback? Rahul and who's left? Rahul रह गया है जिससे बात नहीं करी अभी तक, and Baswan is also left. Rahul, can you give your feedback?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm facing no issue right now.
You are facing the issue. You're not
No,
facing
no,
the issue.
not facing the issue.
Okay, ठीक है. बसवन जी, आप लॉगिन करके चले तो नहीं गए कहीं? आप बोल नहीं रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी।
हेलो।
या हाय।
मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा था कुछ लोग, लेकिन अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा था।
अच्छा।
आप जो पूछ रहे हैं तो अभी तक तो सही, सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, जैसे टेनर इज गुड, ट्रेनिंग
हाँ
इन गुड वे। एंड जैसे कि कुछ कुछ बोले कि जैसे कि मतलब बहुत लोग हैं नॉन फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से, मैं
जी
भी हूँ तो नॉन फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड से, तो थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज चाहिए होता है कि
जी
ये सब समझने के लिए बोलने के लिए।
बिल्कुल।
वही बात है मैम, अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज गुड।
Okay, ठीक है guys, I get the clarity of the picture, like what students are looking forward for it. I will definitely work on that part and close this query by today itself only. So if do connect after, do let connect after your sessions if required, and we'll work on other queries also. Apart from this guys, do you require anything you want to make me to give any kind of
Yeah,
point
Damin,
which I need to do attention?
I would like to add on something.
Yeah.
The thing is, it's an investment banking course, and I think it would be better for us to have an seminars from industry leader, I guess, if you can arrange.
We do have, but not in the starting, because
Okay,
we will
okay,
go
okay.
with the
I just wanted to
later.
know, is there are any seminars arranged for us or not in
Yeah,
this program?
definitely we will do. We will do.
Okay, okay, okay. That will be fine. Okay.
Most welcome. Yeah. Any other query, guys? No, I believe it's sorted. Okay, so guys, a very important thing, whenever I came into the batch, I don't like silence from the students part, because मेरे को अच्छा लगता है जब स्टूडेंट कनेक्ट होते हैं, जितना मेरे से आप मुझे अपनी चीजें बताओगे मेरे को समझ जाएंगी, एंड उतना ही मैं आपको असिस्ट करूंगी. So be active, be participate, and I'm going to create a one group. You are going to be added in the group, and be participate. तो कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए होगा, कुछ भी असिस्टेंस चाहिए होगा, वी विल कनेक्ट ऑन अर्जेंट बेसिस टेलीग्राम पे. हमें वेट नहीं करना पड़ेगा मेल का या किसी चीज का. तो कुछ भी होगा वी विल डेफिनेटली कनेक्ट इजीली. ओके, सो आपस में एक दूसरे को आई बिलीव अपनी बात करनी शुरू हो चुके होंगे स्टूडेंट्स, and they know each other now very well, because it's almost like we completed 3 to 4 lectures. So if you think any challenges from the partner side or anything you require assistance, do let me know.
Sure, Damin.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much for your giving your valuable time. You will be receiving an email from my end shortly. Do acknowledge that email. If you require any help, do let me know. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Okay,
Bye, guys.
bye.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, I think after today we should create a group on WhatsApp so that we
Yeah,
all can help
sure.
each other.
Sure, Nishan, sure.
I think we have one group now, but
वो
that's
अपने पास है वो ग्रुप एक पहले अपने
We
पास.
do have one group, but few students are not there, so we can do that. We can
yeah,
add the rest of the
yeah, we
group.
can add and we can do another group now.
Sure, sure.
meantime, everyone share their number so that we create a WhatsApp group